Parking of heavy-duty trucks has shifted to the Harbour Road, which is located between the Tema interchange and the Tema port. The usage of the road shoulders as parking lots has grown to be a serious problem, presenting threats to the other road users. The truck drivers along this stretch of the highway have become accustomed to the practice. The ongoing practice seems to have caught the authorities off guard. These actions represent a significant risk of accident for other road users. This appears to be a common practice among drivers of large vehicles who claim their vehicles are either being repaired or are resting before beginning their journey as seen, despite being well aware of the dangers they pose. According to the Road Traffic Act 2004, Act 683, Section 21, leaving vehicles or trailers in dangerous positions are illegal. Ghana Driver's Guide under the Ministry of Roads and Highways and the Ministry of Transport's Road Traffic Regulations 2012, LI 2180, page 11, Regulation 187 states, it is an offense parking on highway and roads. Are these trucks supposed to be parked along the roads? Who are mandated to check these road hazards? What are the alternative parking options available to the drivers to avoid wrong parking? What are authorities doing about the situation? Reporting from Mariport Affairs, kindly share your thoughts in the comment section.